Hey everybody.
It is a beautiful Friday here at the Barber Vintage Motorsports Museum, here with the Vintage Japanese Motorcycle Club. We are getting ready for our Misfits Custom Motorcycle Show. We want to give thanks to the Barber Museum for providing us with the space to be here directly in front of the museum today and tomorrow for our other shows. This is all the spectator parking. There's actually a lot of fantastic bikes on the grounds here that are just waiting, and here in front are box stock show bikes waiting for tomorrow's show. We've got a good class of custom bikes here, and we're going to walk through those, and I'll try to tell you about them if I can. We'll start right here at the end. As you can see, we're right off the main drag, right here next to the perimeter road of Barber Motorsports Park. And we'll start by walking up on our first bike. This is the newest vintage bike we've got here. These bikes are now 25 years old. The Honda RC51. This thing sounds wicked too. I hope to hear it later on today in the Sweet Sounds of Japanese Horsepower competition. Right next to it, a Honda CB750 Super Sport. Got some velocity stacks on it, some low handlebars, 4-in-1 pipe. Man, that looks nice. And here we have an absolutely wicked Suzuki GT750. Let's read the tag. This is a 1973. It is detailed to the max. Check it out. Electron carbs. Underseat exhaust. How often do you see underseat exhaust on a 3-cylinder 2-stroke? It sounds good too. Then over here, we have another one. You gotta love these Suzuki. Man, you gotta love that patina from one that gets ridden and raced. It is absolutely top dog. No velocity stacks here. Just got the carburetors opened up wide to say, ah. All race bike and all function. Ah, here's a nice Honda CB750 chopper. Again, this is another rider bike. I love it. Turned out exhaust, red box air cleaner, paint chips, bug splatter and all. Just the way they're meant to be. Check out the suicide shifter, hand shifter. A very nice old Honda chopper, very traditional. Right over here, have a 1996 RS 125R, a little 2-stroke racing Honda. They got the carbon fiber exhaust. He's got his carburetor intake protected for static display. Dunlop slicks on it. Everything you'd want in a nice little Honda race machine. Coming over here, we have an RD350. head. Bell mouth on the carburetor with bug catcher screens. Of course, one of the neat touches is the sticker on the gas cap that says no clowns. You definitely have to pay attention to ride this one. And yes, it's street legal. Check out the headlight. That is the actual headlight. It works. Alright, over here we have a 73 CB450 Custom. This is just a very nice, well done street bike custom. Twin leading shoe front brakes. Stock engine with painted with the polished covers. This would be a good bike to ride on. Right next to it here, we have this Kawasaki 1974 Z1A. Another nice custom top clamp. Yeah, this is yours, right?
Yeah. In earlier form, this bike held the lap record at Blackhawk Farms road racing.
Okay. Well, yeah, why don't you tell me what you have on it here? I will look at this. Yeah. Original owner, heavily braced and altered frame, original paint.
I bought this bike in October of 1973.
Cool.
I am the original owner. It's 5 days short of being 52 years old.
All right.
And I've gone from IDBA Pro Stock I raced in 76, went road racing, Tony DeSimone, which fits in here. He set the lap record at Blackhawk. And then I came back in 84, won the Midwest Region CCS Superbike Championship with it in earlier form, and then evolved it into this.
Well,
it's actually faster now than it ever was, but
it's also more streetable.
It's very streetable.
Yeah, that's what really counts about them. We love to see them,
but it's got a lot of work in it.
Yep. Well, you've done great, and you've done a great job of preserving it. I love the fact that it's original paint.
Yeah, it's 1979 paint, but it is a 76 frame.
Yeah.
A lot of the early 74 internals.
What is the swing arm?
It's a GSXR 750. It's a whole GSXR monoshock assembly. Olin shock. I've got an adjustable shock mount put in the top. Frame gusseting for the mounting and everything for that. Yeah, just, let's say back in March it was a bare frame, and now it's back to this. And somewhat streetable.
Cool.
It's a mild motor. It's probably about 130 rear wheel horsepower.
Yeah, well, that's right. It's great to get to talk to the owners about these bikes when I'm going through doing this for the club. It's a beautiful bike, and we appreciate your time in bringing it out. Let's see, Suzuki T500 Titan. Nice little street tracker. A little bit cleaner pitch. I'm sorry. Not a problem. Upside down front end on this one. Kiko calipers, pedal rotors. And right next to it we have the CB360. Sharp looking little cafe racer, a lot of handmade touches on it, hand hammered touches.
You know, the details, man. This sucker's got plenty of them.
Yeah. Yoshimura exhaust, yeah. Oh man, the clear cut cover.
They is made already.
Yeah. Cool. I like that.
Like you.
That is wonderful to see. I like seeing that here. Now let's move on over here. We got this Thank you so much for GS 1000E Suzuki. This is exactly the kind of street machine we all love to ride. Red line tires on it. Vance Hines exhaust. fin covers on the end of the cams. Just a very nice overall street machine. Now I'm going to jump over here. There's a Kawasaki Mach 3 500.
I bet that's nice and quiet.
Yeah. '69 Kawasaki Mach 3. It looks wicked. There you go. Dyno tuned by Bill Workey. Now let's turn our attention to this beautiful orange RD 400. It's very well done. Team Scream Racing. Here we have a really neat machine with a lot of unique engineering in it. It is a 73 Honda CB550, turbocharged. It looks good. That looks like an old CB175 tank on it. With a custom seat cover. Has a Garrett turbocharger feeding into the 550. Drilled sprocket covers. A downpipe. Custom Nissan brake. Here we go. The carburetor is side mounted for draw-through application. Just have a look in there. Imagine you're a bug coming straight at this carburetor. But it sure does look good. Monoshock rear suspension, fully adjustable, Brembo rear brakes. That is one sharp looking machine. But anyhow, that concludes our look at the field of competitors here today for the 2025 BJMC Misfits Show. I hope you've enjoyed seeing all the bikes, and we'll be back in a minute with the awards presentation.
For years, and they have given me the winning bikes. And so if your name's called, we'll mention the bike and everything. Come on up. We've got a trophy for each of those winners. So the first trophy is awarded to the youngest member entered in the bike show that also earned a $100 gift certificate from WeBike. And Floyd Finch here is our contact with WeBike, and he's gotten a $100 gift certificate for this individual. His name is Justin Blue. He brought the 73 Honda CB 550 Turbo. Round of applause for Justin. And he's a youngster. He is a youngster. And you got to pose here. Like, this is going on our YouTube channel. So pose with your trophy here. And wait a minute. Get your trophy. Get your trophy. Can't leave town without a trophy.
Actually, that'd be.
There you go.
Now it's,
Do another photo with it.
yeah, here you go. There we go. That's more like. Yeah, we do 5 for you got it.
There we go. Thank you for bringing it out.
Awesome.
Use that gift certificate with WeBike. The second winner in the Misfits Modified Japanese Bike Show is the 74 Kawasaki Z1A, entered by Howard Petty. So if Howard Petty's here, come on up for your trophy. And you're going to be on, well, we might have to change the camera angle to get the top of his head. Just gonna, all right. You guys got his head in it, right? All right. Good. There we go. Congratulations. Thanks for bringing it out. Now, the third winner in the Misfits Modified Japanese Bike Show is the 76 Honda CB360, owned by David Rodder. There we go. Another youngster. He's only got gray hairs on his chin, right? And he still has hair on top, so it's a double win.
Thank you.
There we go. Thank you for bringing it out, David. Now, the fourth Misfits Modified Japanese Bike Show winner is the 73 Suzuki GT750, entered by Roy Gibson. So if Roy Gibson's here, come on up for your trophy. Got Roy Gibson in the house. Roy Gibson going once, going twice. We'll start taking bids on his bike. Like that. No, where's Roy? No? Well, I guess we'll have to put that in layaway. He can purchase it week by week at Walmart. So, the fifth bike entry in the Misfits Modified Japanese Bike Show was the 75 Yamaha RD350, entered by Conrad Urbanowski. The second. All right, there's two of those. So, is Conrad here?
You might not be here, but he rode with me.
All right, there's physical verified presence of Conrad being here.
Right here behind
How does he pronounce his name?
Urbanowski.
Urbanowski. All right. Are you Conrad?
Yes, sir.
All right. Step up, get your award.
Yeah.
Thank you.
All right.
Awesome.
All right. Excellent. So we want to thank everyone. There were 15 bikes in the show. That's kind of a lower number than we've had in the past. But at our new location right here, it's a perfect location. We'll double this size next year and advertise it ahead and get your entries in. It's always better if you pre-register like that. So welcome, welcome, welcome. This is the first of 3 events the BJMC is putting on this weekend. So let's look at the folks helping out here. Got membership sign-ups here. We've got Randy Mays, Geraldine, Richard Arms, all staffing. There we go. Craig Corrado. Corrado, right? All right. And we're going to have the 2 o'clock is going to be the Sounds of Japanese Horsepower contest. And if you've got one of these bikes, you can bring it back for the Sounds of Japanese Horsepower. It's got to run. We line up the single cylinders. They compete against other single cylinders. We line up the twins. We line up the triples. We line up the 4 cylinders. And then the 6 cylinders, CBXs usually. So welcome, welcome, welcome. Have a great time. Tomorrow's the Concours Bike Show. And hope to see everyone at both of these shows. Thank you.